In this video, I want to talk about the pointer in expressions. We can use pointer variables like other variables in expressions. So first of all, I want to make a variable int x equal to 5. I want to make pointer variable star p. I want to say p is equal to ampersand x. Now if I print the p, the value of p will be 5 because this p is pointing to the value of x. The value of x is 5, so the value of p will also be 5. I'm going to say printf. I'm going to say p %d \n star p. Let's print and see the output. As you can see, p is 5. So how can we use this pointer, this p, like other variable in expressions? So here I'm going to say int y equal to star p. If I print the y, the value of y will be 5. I'm going to say printf %d \n y. I'm going to compile. The value of p is 5, and also the value of y is 5. We said y is equal to star p. The value of p is 5. So I can also say y plus equal to star p. It means that y is equal to y plus star p. Y was 5, and also star p is 5. The value of y is 5 because we assigned this p to the y here, and also the value of p is also 5. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So let's print. I'm going to just copy that. Printf y. I'm going to say here, for example, y2. This is y1. Let's compile. P is 5, y1 is 5, and y2 is 10. We said y plus equal to p. So how can we increment or decrement the pointer? Here I'm going to say star p plus plus. If I print this expression, it won't work correctly. In order to increment or decrement the pointer, we have to use the pointer inside brackets. I'm going to add here close bracket and also open bracket. Now if I compile it, it will work properly. So here I'm going to say printf. I'm going to say p %d star p. So I want to compile it. The first p is 5, y1 is also 5. Here y2 is 10. This is 10. And also p is 6. First of all, the value of p was 5, and we incremented by 1. It became 6. Also, if we want to decrement the p, we have to use parentheses as well. Here I'm going to say parentheses star p minus minus. So here I'm going to print it again. I'm going to copy this printf. Paste it here. Let's compile again. Oops, I forgot a \n here. I have to use \n. And also I will use \n here. So let's compile. P is 6. We have incremented the p here. It's 6. And also here we have decremented. It became again 5. So keep in mind that when we want to increment or decrement the pointers, we have to use parentheses. We have to put the pointer variable inside the parentheses. So this is how we can use the pointer in expressions. See you next video, and bye for now.